Hi, I am Dr. Tasneem H. Ibrahim, a hypnotherapist with a doctorate in hypnosis therapy and healing science. In this video, I'd like to tell you how to clear yourself and your spaces. Very often we feel negativity, we feel negative vibes, and we can even sometimes actually feel negative energies either around us or in the space that we are. Now, what do you do when you feel something like this? The solution to this is very simple. You can actually solve this by the simplest ingredient, which is very easily available anywhere and everywhere, and that is salt. Salt is one of the best methods to clear spaces of absolutely everything. So, how do you use this salt? Well, all you need to do is, in case if you are mopping your floors with water, then just add a little pinch of salt in that water and mop your floors with it. It will cleanse your space of all negativity, negative vibes, and negative energies. So the additional bonus is that it helps in keeping away flies, ants, etc. too. In case you're not mopping your floors with water, then the other option that you can do is just take 4 containers of glass and put a little bit of salt in each of them. And now put these containers in the 4 corners of your house. Or if you find that there is negativity in a particular spot or area where you feel that or sense it, then put it in that space. Or if you feel it's in a particular room, then put it in the 4 corners of the room. And every month make sure that you clear this up. So every month remove the salt that is there in that container and clean it and then put in fresh salt. But please remember, when you are removing it to clear it, make sure that none of the salt spills in your house or your space. Make sure that it goes directly down the drain or in the flush. You can do this either in your home space or your workspace, it doesn't matter. It will help to clear everywhere. Now, coming to yourself. Okay, so this is all about clearing spaces. How do you clear yourself? Because very often we also tend to catch negativity and negative vibes or negative energies from other people and other places. So, how do you clear yourself? Well, again, salt comes to our help. It's easy to use and very convenient. All you do is when you are having your bath, after you've had your bath, just put a pinch of salt in your water and then just put that water all over yourself, your hair included. Salt will not spoil your hair. And once you put it all over yourself, then you can cleanse yourself again with clear water. But make sure you don't use soap after you have put salt on yourself. And please just take a pinch of it or you will feel very sticky because salt also has that tendency. Now, when I mentioned the word salt, yes, you can use any types of salt. The best salt to use is Himalayan pink salt, of course. But if it's not possible for you to get Himalayan pink salt, you can opt for sea salt. And even if that is not an option, you can still use the home salt that you have in the house. That also works wonders. Coming to the next part, very often we feel that we get negativity or negative energies from people on purpose because either they are angry with us or jealous of us or some reason or the other. So it happens that knowingly or unknowingly they send this negativity out to us to specially harm us. And one of the strongest forms of negative energy is black magic, which by now I am sure if you are at this space of hearing my video, you are at a spiritual level where you do understand these matters and sense these matters. Black magic is one of the strongest but rarest forms of harm that anyone can do. It's not as common as people believe, but in case there is somebody who doesn't like you to that extent to actually cause you harm on purpose. Now, very often this is done in food because food is what we eat and it goes straight into our bodies to our DNAs and then it goes in very deep. So, this is why it is very powerful. So, the best way to protect yourself from this is before eating any food, especially food from sources, places, or people that you have even the slightest doubt, just take a pinch of salt and taste it or put it in your mouth and then eat whatever you want, especially when eating anything sweet offered to you. And after you've eaten it, also, again take a pinch of salt. This also will help in not allowing anything that is not good for you or harmful to not enter your body and go down to your DNA. So use these simple tips and help yourself, protect yourself so that you are not harmed. Good luck. God bless.